friends, welcome back to my channel Cooking and Beyond. Today I'm going to make naan and butter chicken. Since so many days my kids were requesting for naan and butter chicken, to make it healthier, I made it with whole wheat flour along with butter chicken. So today I'm going to show you the recipe how to make it. So let's get started. Butter chicken, we need chicken. Here I have taken chicken breast, cut it into lengthy pieces. For that I am adding ginger garlic paste, chili powder, salt, cumin powder, yogurt, lemon juice, and a tablespoon of oil. I forgot to add turmeric, I added later. And you can add any spices which you like coriander powder. This dish I'm making for my kids, so I want to keep it mild. Give it a good mix. And for this you can I added garam masala powder, and rest it for like 3 hours in the refrigerator. If you keep it overnight, it will even more good. Here we start our naan preparations. For that we need whole wheat flour, oil, warm milk, yogurt, sugar, baking soda, and the salt. Here I am using 2 cups of whole wheat flour. For that I am adding sugar, baking soda, and salt. Give it a dry mix. For that we'll add yogurt and oil. Once we mix yogurt and oil, we'll put warm milk gradually, little by little, to make it a dough. And I'll put the measurements in the description below. And here our dough is ready. Now we'll rest it for 3 hours. We'll put a warm wet towel and leave it for 3 hours. So here our marinated chicken is ready. So now I'm coating a pan with an oil so it doesn't stick. Now I'll layer it up and cook it in the oven. You can do it on the stove top as you wish. Just in stove top you have to put it in the oil and saute it. But I like to bake it as it gives a good taste. So here I'm applying butter. After all, it's for butter chicken. We need to put little amount of butter in it. And now bake it for 15 minutes under 350 degrees. And here we start preparing for our sauce for butter chicken. So I am boiling water. In that I am adding chopped tomatoes, like 5 tomatoes. And for that I am adding onions, ginger pieces, garlic pieces, cashew nuts, cinnamon, cloves, bay leaf and cardamom, and put salt according to your taste and piece of butter. Cook it till it's done. And we need to add red chilies for a good color and taste. Give it a good mix. And now it's ready. I'm removing the bay leaf and cardamom and cinnamon out, as I can't grind all these spices. Sometimes it gives bitter taste. And let it cool. Then we can grind it. And here our chicken is ready. And now we'll grind it to a fine paste. And here we prepare the sauce. For that we are putting butter. In that we'll add the grinded paste. Bring it to a boil. Here I am adding 2 tablespoons of sugar, and again give it a mix. Bring it to a boil. And here I am adding dry fenugreek leaves, like crushed fenugreek leaves, and mix it well. So in this we'll add our marinated grilled chicken pieces. Mix it well. Let it cook for another 5 minutes. So all the chicken and the sauce will get along well. Once it comes to a boil, we'll add our cream. Make sure that you reduce your flame. And give it a good mix. And here our butter chicken is ready. And here we'll start preparing for naan. We have a good fermented whole wheat flour dough. I rolled it into an oval shape, and for that I'm putting garlic pieces and coriander pieces to make it a garlic naan, as it tastes very good. And now I kept my pan to heat up. You can press it with the rolling pin if you want to press it properly. And then flip it over and apply good amount of water over the top surface. Nicely all over. Make sure the flat pan for roasting naan is heated up. Take the naan and place the water applied side on the flat pan. Lower the heat. Cook the naan for 2 minutes. The bubbles will start form. The bubbles are starting appear. You can see bubbles. And now we'll flip it. Flip the pan upside down with the naan over the flame. Try to cook on all sides, moving the pan till the brown spots appear. Make sure you are cooking well. And now our naan is ready. We'll apply a little butter and remove it into a plate. And now our garlic naan is ready. Can you see backside? It's well cooked. And finally, here our whole wheat flour garlic naan with butter chicken is ready. I hope you all like this video. Please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel. And hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I post my videos. See you soon in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.